Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I'm looking at a move Google is making to take more control of the apps you can install on your Android phone. Let's jump into it. Alright, so if you're an Android user, you probably know that it's possible to directly download and install an app outside of the Google Play Store. If you're an iPhone user, you may not be aware of this openness of the Android platform in this regard, and to me, it's one of the distinguishing features of the Android platform that sets it apart from iOS. But all of that is about to change. Google has put out a blog post stating that starting in 2026, that certified Android devices, which is almost all Android devices, will no longer allow you to sideload an app from a developer that has not gone through Google's verification program. This program requires a developer to jump through some hoops, specifically provide personal details like name and address, website address, business details, and potentially an official government ID. Sounds like a real fun process, right? But I will point out that you'll still be able to sideload apps outside of the Google Play Store, but those apps will have to be from verified developers in order to install them. And Google has said that they will not verify the content or functionality of apps that are sideloaded. So I suppose it's still possible to distribute apps that Google won't allow in the Play Store. Now, Google claims this is an attempt to improve security, and it will probably do that somewhat, but this to me is clearly a step towards the Apple App Store model and removes some of the reasons you might want to be on the Android platform to begin with. Many people bristle at the lockdown, Apple-controlled ecosystem of iOS, and while this change doesn't fully move in that direction, it's certainly a step towards that model. And Google has tried to put a happy face on this by likening it to having your ID checked at the airport. Yeah, I don't think that analogy gives the perception that Google wants here. I don't think most people really enjoy the experience with the TSA at the airport. And I do find it interesting that Google is doing this now. Google and Apple are both under all kinds of scrutiny by the courts for their App Store policies, and this could be seen as an attempt by Google to further lock down the Android platform. I'm a little surprised they're doing this, and I wonder if Google will put in further scare warnings for users when they go through the process of sideloading an app. That sort of change could again be viewed rather unfavorably by various courts that are looking at Google right now. But for now, if you're an Android developer, you're going to need to start jumping through those hoops within the next year or so if you want to continue to distribute your app outside of the Google Play Store. But that's all I have on this story. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.